Do you think what we see on the media influences our beliefs and behaviors? Some say that art imitates life, while others argue it is the other way around. 'Cause life imitates art. Research has long indicated that there is a relationship between media portrayals and real-life outcomes. Cultivation theory argues that the more people watch television, the more they will assimilate that the world portrayed on screen is the real world. A perception that can influence feelings and behaviors. Since there is a distortion of reality on television, that can lead to what researchers call mean world syndrome, or the perception that the world is a far more dangerous place than it actually is, with threats lurking in every shadow. So when it comes to interpersonal relationships, what conclusions can we draw from media representations of unhealthy behaviors? On this video, we will take a look at research on representations of stalking, defined as the willful, malicious, and repeated following and harassing of another person that threatens their safety. A 2014 study found that stalking representations in movies displayed quite a big distortion of reality, with women being portrayed less time as victims and more times as the stalkers and in reality.
She's really freaking me out. This is not a problem.
Public area, her rights are protected.
In addition to that, 35% of the movies linked the stalking to a previous romantic relationship, when, in reality, data indicates that the large majority of cases include some kind of prior involvement. Sensationalizing stalker narratives can also contribute to the maintenance of extreme violence stereotypes, which may increase the number of real-world victims who do not see themselves as victims and overlook non-physical signs of stalking.
Now you're scared of me, aren't you? You're afraid. Gutless, heartless, spineless.
Another study looked at stalking narratives constructed around positive frames of romance or attraction, which led some people to increased beliefs that stalking behavior is a sign of true love.
Sue, hi!
What are you doing here?
I thought, I'm just gonna go for it.
With me?
Yes.
What?
I'm here to see Sue, please.
She moved to Washington.
Something for yourself. This girl that I'm in love with?
Why did you come out here?
Because I love you.
While a 2010 study found that crime shows had a tendency to include subtle signs of victim blaming, more recent studies have found that modern stalker representations might construct a charming nature for the character, which, in the case of the Netflix show You, resulted in the lead character, a murderous stalker, being romanticized by the viewers in social media. In the end, even if we notice how distorted depictions of reality can be, research argues that media narratives can serve as educational tools. As with everything we consume, media benefits from a critical approach.
I think I have a superhero stalker.
I was in the neighborhood.
As you consume fictional narratives, try to also give space to real-life accounts, especially when it comes from survivors of abusive relationships.
What if they don't even remember me when they get to see me?
The system is broken. These are moms, these are wives, these are sisters, these are daughters.
Just keep in mind that not everything you see is representative of reality, and sometimes art does not imitate life.